And look,
yeah, he
from
got
prison
nominated
to nomination, the man says he's walking on the red carpet in Los Angeles with his fiancée on his arm and doing interviews with every big media host.
How does it feel to reclaim your throne in such a big way?
Thank you very much. It feels amazing, man.
Them showing this, yeah, mad man.
Celebrities seeing him dropping to his knees.
Mama, you look good, you know my youth. Batty boy.
He's fawning over him.
Oh, no, the kid never that.
He's a winner.
A few moments later.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Marley, one love.
See, make it look like that in some way he has been slighted. Yeah, and then you come up and you invent these ridiculous reasons to criticize music that you don't listen to.
2,000 years later.
They just know who Vybz Kartel is. They seen him, you know. People see him in the timeline. They think he must have done like Big Meech. They think he must just have...
You're gonna suck your mother. So you remove your pussy hole and come down.
One eternity later.
Big up yourself, brother. Know yourself. Your sister gonna buy you a jail even. So that way you get a fuck with.
You know, I'm gonna like this.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Yo, Lisa, watch ya. Look where man come by, come give me. Yo, I shake with this dog. Yo, man, no, brother, no, hear me up, brother. No, what is about give?
Yes, people, don't know. You see me? Yeah, so I just saw the video a while ago. You see me? Yeah. We have to make the place nice. You see it? Yeah, man, but come for talk about this 13 years fiction we are going with Vybz Kartel. You see me? In Father Road, everybody are talk about this 13 years thing. See him with the king thing. You see me? Them are boss with the goal. You see me? Them are boss with this. Them are boss with, yeah, I want to know. Man found out in a prison for 13 years and go get nominated and straight go Grammy and whatsoever and this, that and but this is the thing. How much Jamaican artists can do all of that? Where what them want? Jamaican artists ever go prison too? Go spend what 13 years or maybe 15 years and come out back and do the same thing. I don't understand. This 13 years business, it not make no sense. Yeah, you see me? So this is the thing now. Vybz Kartel go prison for a murder, right? See? Because we can't rob out one, right? Spend about 13 years, case bus way, him there road. You see me? Then everybody wanna go use that now for try put leverage on him thing. But this one wanna know how much Jamaican artists go prison and spend 13 years. And while them in a prison, them are release one bag of song. Because when I do this 13 years series, 13 years business, when I make no sense. It's like when I forgot that the man he get charged with murder and convict. Why him did their prison for about 13 years? It's like when I forgot. Who, as an artist, see Jack Yor, Jack Yor their prison. Jack Yor not release a song. When Lad in the prison, Lad never released a song. When Tommy Lee the prison, Tommy never released one bag of song. When Buju their prison, Buju never released one bag of song. Zine, how much artists in the dance I'll get goal? Zine, enough artists. Buju, Elephant Man them, what you call it? Busy Signal them. Zine, enough of them man they get goal. You see me? So this 13-year thing, it don't make no sense. Like one artist we do now. End up in a prison for 13 years or 14 years and try to do what Kartel do or what. Because sometimes when I go and like say, it's a planting when it comes to him going to prison. That me I wonder like, who have the powers with Kartel and the links with Kartel have for their prison for so much years and a release song. I get it well promoted, all of them little thing there. You see me? And this, if you realize, if you watch a video, you know it's Spice and Freedom Street. Yeah, him go to prison and him richer than enough artists where they are road. Like, Kartel been having money. You're not going like say a music alone make Kartel have money. And a music alone. Kartel have him rum, Him they have him one bag of businesses, him they have him TV show, every little thing. Most of the artists them in Jamaica, some of them maybe are just music, them depend on for income and all of them little thing there. So now make it look like say yo, we Kartel do. Like other artists could have do it and do what him do and get no. You see me? This 13 years business, it not make no sense. Like that will come down now, man. You see me? Cause you have this 13 years and fouled out and get nominated for Grammy and like that even make no sense. You see me? Because Kartel could be getting a lot of Grammy, a lot of nomination, I say. You understand? A lot of nomination thing. Why him never get it back then? Why has him forward out? See? Why has him forward out Grammy does? Cause I'm telling you already, you know, this Grammy thing, nominated thing, you know, it was for him get back in visa, you know. You see me? Because him getting visa close to when Grammy about to start. So we know all of that and we see the metrics and we see everything. Is what I'm trying to say. But this 13 years team, start make it look like say it's possible for every artist to do what Kartel do, which Kartel do him wrongs and end up in a wrong situation. Zine, and him forward the road now because the links, everything, we don't know the politics, every little thing. You see me? Get off of the case or whatsoever. Zine. So on this 13 years thing and forward the road and from him forward the road dance all change and if you don't see what going on in the media right now, you realize this not really have nothing to do with music. It's all about, you don't know, the Lisa hype thing. You know, Lisa hype a forward out and I say one bag of thing and you see what me I try she been through this, them I say she mad out and one bag of thing, you see me? And she try clear up her thing. Footer hype, you forward out same speed, same thing, you see me? So this one bag of, you know, the king thing or whatsoever, is what me I try to say. It's like when Kartel do things, me I wonder, say wait. I saw a one man special, a one artist special, now that I not understand because knowing Kartel thing, a controversial thing be Kartel career. You see me? Because if you realize now, that's what I'm telling you know, if Kartel did their road, it would have been the same controversial thing I go right through than in music. You see me? Because everything come with the drama, it come like some love and hip hop thing. You see me? Every BNA, one bag of name I call up about buying this and buying that and what kind of vehicle a chance time get and it's what me I try to say. Lisa hype a forward out and I thought the things and them I say, yo, Lisa hype I try thief, Kartel money and come tell you, the Gaza thing not loyal, you know. I remember from back then, from with Not Nice them, Zane, from with Rhino them, from with Popcorn thing them, from with, what's your name, Gaza, or Gaza Kim, allergy where them say she get beat up on one bag of thing. You see me? A lot of thing going on Gaza way. It shows say it not loyal. You might there so, and then boom, you say next week a be a beating you get. You see me? And I won't go one man a flourish from the Gaza thing. You see me? We now see Tamili. You see me? We now see Tamili a two ray a power and a flex and everything. I'm staying in my own little lane. Because I'm not want to get into the saga. You see me? But we don't know the Gaza fans stay already. You see me? We don't know them stay already because them not like a little thing with all Dever Brat, you know. You see me? Because I don't tell them already say, I know Kartel not go war Dever Brat. You see me? Because when it comes to Kartel, you know, you see me? Remember say, and everybody man want war. You see me? Him know where Dever Brat know. You see me? Him know all of that. So that's why you see him now step out. You see me? Him not go and step out with Dever Brat car. Dever Brat lyrically too. You see me? Them afraid of Dever Brat because Dever Brat know a lot of secret. And when people know a lot of secret and you know, you're not going to want step out. You see me? But when him forward out and him there road, him now want in and a clash, him want focus on him thing and is what me I try to say. But him attack a one bag of things, so Dever Brat go out there on him case. You see me? Chance time for reply. Him now reply a footer hype, him a try this. Him a try which footer hype an artist, footer hype a DJ. So it show you, bro. You see me? The Gaza thing not loyal, brother. A crumbly Gaza thing a crumble right now. You see me? And the fans them, you know, the fans them, you know, them emotional syndrome already. You see me? And when them can't get them one, when you attack facts, it hurt them into a way where either man them want to do you something in a real life or what. I don't know why. It's like nobody know for talk about Kartel, nobody know for say this about Kartel. And when people talk about Kartel, everybody bad mind. At first me I see how people attack them opinion and the facts is out there too. And you go say people bad. Me not understand. Where people go bad mind a 49-year-old man right now. Tell me now. Zine? And as me say, no man no more than no man, brother. Because every man born with 2 foot and 1 head. You see me? And when you're born, you never come out of your mother with no money or no house or whatsoever. You see me? So the way you forward pan earth, I saw you go back. You see it? Kartel might have 10 car, but a one alone he can drive, and he might have 10 house. A one him can sleep in. No man no more than a man. So this bad mind thing now, this now make no sense. When everybody talk about the artist, me now hear them talk about bad mind. I war with Kartel so. And when people talk, I'm gonna say, yo, that youth are way, no real Kartel or whatsoever. Like, and not everybody are gonna rate nobody. You see me? I just facts. You see me? So this 13 years business, that need for cut out now, brother. Can't enough member say, yo, brother, I murder the money you get charged for. I murder the money you get convict for. So now this 13 years, like say, nobody else could have do that. Like, wow, no one artist for start go prison now for come out back and get a big show and this and that, brother. Like, come on. Kartel, we not go take the greatness from him. Him do things in a dancehall, great things. So if him do spend 13 years when nobody no see him a perform and him a drop him hits them from in a prison. Remember this, Kartel well promoted than any other artist. So we know that already. And we know the politics. You see me? We know the politics stay already. You see him have the links. You have people out there will rate him where we put people aside and put him in front. We know that. We know the gatekeeping system, we know everything. We know this a person have a bow or whatsoever. You see me? So this 13-year business, like, you know, one artist will go prison for 13 years to fall out and do great things. I don't understand. Like, we not try. What kind of metrics we not try? And this dancehall thing not talk about. Yeah, Kartel are run the social media. Like, and not every artist repost themselves or people are repost them. People just are easy. Artists out there do them shows out there. But what? Like, them not gonna really highlight that. We know the things they already. You know, internet love drama already. Social media love drama. So whatever Kartel deal with or whatever drama go on in a dancehall, them are go tune into that. But the good thing, like artists out there, the big thing, them not go and put up that really. A drama, them are go do it because we don't know say drama sell. You see me? So this 13 years business, 13 years of fiction, 13 years him a do this, I want to you. 13 years a man spend, 13 years this, I want to you, make a man drink and everything. Man drink and this, that. You see what I try to say? Everything at 13 years. At Fan Kartel come out, at two things them always talk about. 13 years and bad mind. You see me? And them say, yo, enough artists never want to see him follow that road and way and this, that. I say, what? What do you mean by enough artists? Me not understand. What do you mean by enough artists never want him follow that road like say? And the artists them make Kartel go prison. A Kartel put himself there, so. You see me? So, I don't know what I mean by artists never want him follow that road. If, you see me, it's like, when I go and like say an artist set him up for him going there. An artist him set up himself. You see me? So, never talk facts, brother. Cut out this 13 years business. The man do little time and forward out. You see me? Yeah, we know the links there. Him get nominated for Grammy for your album when nobody don't really know. Nobody don't know the album and that a fuck. You understand? Nobody don't know the album but why get nominated. Them they expect it for win, which that no qualify for now. You see me? And then him a being with the king thing and whatsoever, brother. Like, come on. If you not see a man if you not see a virgin for 13 years, see? If you not see a virgin for 13 years, yo, you gonna say, yo, Bombat, Wagwan, dog, Ray. Like, anticipate, you gonna wonder Wagwan, everybody gonna want to see, man. Everybody want to see Wagwan at the show and every little thing. Cause make Kartel keep the show at stadium again. And see the difference. You see me? Because you're not going like say, you can keep it the 10 time and it ramp full 10 time. And that's how the thing work, brother. First of all, the first one, I'll be a ticket giveaway. Be a ticket. You see me? If not, me I tell you, people, you come like the whole show, people just use buy bleachers and just walk going in infield. You see me? Walk go anyway. You see me? So, this one bag of thing, 13-year series thing from prison. That now make no sense. I see him go Grammy. You see him? And Kai Cenat must see him or whatever. Yeah, we don't know Kai Cenat have like a Jamaican background / Haitian thing. And him, you know him a overreact. I just him that them make it look like say, yo, I want bag of celebrity and Ray and this, that. Come on, the man a walk. But you know really having Kai Cenat if you watch the video. Zine, look on this.
I want to introduce you to somebody. Bomba cat! World boss! Yo! World boss!
So, if you look on this,
Bomba, you know,
somebody
you know,
roll him up. Really, just guys not talk to the man. Everybody walk about them business. Like, the different thing from yard and a brother, two different things. How much artists and celebrity where their yard go foreign and walk. Like, say people are run them down and say, hey, like the paparazzi, like the big superstar them are foreign. Nobody now do that. Nobody now do that to them. When Kartel go find man, just a regular man. You see me? Just a regular guy. Him just a walk and everybody know him. Remember say him a wear shades. Remember say him face change from way back when. The man in a prison lock up like, yeah, them will listen him song yes, but them don't know the face. Them don't know the right face. You see me? Because there's some little face where they make up on the social media. You don't really know. So all of this little thing, cause this are the thing, you know. You see when him for do shows now, and that's gonna be the problem. Cause una hype up a man, a 49-year-old man will soon reach 50. You see me? Una try boots him and that's like a rather I'm gonna get. Cause una try push him to a level where him can't reach, him not reach it. Cause yeah, now this being him and now this them people, Beanie Man done been there and do that already. You see me? People know Beanie Man. You see me? And that's the thing. Because if you watch that video with that brother you say, Zine, him a Kartel must say, producer so. I think them call him Johnny Fix. You what I tell you? What tell you?
They just know who Vybz Kartel is. They seen him, People see him in the timeline. They think he must have done like Big Meech.
So yo, Grammy never know Kartel. You see me? They might know him now with them, bro. Like that's the thing. Jamaica thing different from abroad. You see me? I mean, say you bigger yard, you got real that bigger than a superstar thing. You see me? We see him doing look interview with them and every little thing and yeah. You see me? One people are gonna see it and every little thing, but this 13 years thing, it not make no sense. There's no artist in Jamaica right now I go want go prison for 13 years for come try prove or try to do better than what Kartel I don't know or whatsoever. Because to me, Kartel not really do anything. Him not do nothing for propel him musical career. This drama and Lisa hype thing and all that little saga them for him come out, that not do nothing really. Him music, him drop an album, nobody not talk about it now. Nobody not really rave about it. With the numbers soon come out. You see me? See, like when him drop the album and get nominated, nobody know about the album. Nobody know about it. You see me? Because when I try to boots up this man, make him feel like him this used world superstar. Yeah, people know him, yes, but he not reach that level yet. Seem like with him show and I talk about Rihanna fly down, Nicki Minaj fly down. None of them no come. Like, come on. You see me when I put this one man for say him run the genre and way. Yes, him run the media. Because of him that. Him run the media. Nothing wrong with that, but no dancehall thing no involved with this, with media thing, drama. Media love drama, so if I do drama, he might get attention. The other rest of artists, them not do no drama. You see me? The other artists, I do them for do them and them studio every little thing. You see me? I do them shows or them book for. Focus on them craft and every little thing. Him now, one bag of sagas of people are going to post him and repost him. The other artists, them not do no drama in the media for the media take up them attention or whatsoever. Like, yeah, he might get the highlight because thing are going around him, film name a call or whatsoever. You see me? That not have nothing to do with dancehall and the other artists them because this is not music. This is some love and hip hop thing or some drama shit. You see me? Yeah, only thing, he not really make no money off a drama thing. You see me? He just give a little highlight, but yeah, we don't know what's a negative highlight, but you don't know the Gaza fans them I say you will try this thing or whatsoever. But yeah, people, this 13 years business, it not make no sense, and people for forward out, and it's like some people are afraid to talk, but a facts, brother. A facts. Because what I use right now, a be a fiction now use now. For make Kartel look like this use special superstar thing, bro. Like Kartel can't even sell a good album. You see me? Nobody now buy him album. Nobody now tune into music the real way. The only reason why Kartel music them back then did different is because him did their prison. Nobody couldn't see him. You see me? So it's like people more sorry for him them time there. Him the well promoted when it come musically them time because him could see him could do no show. So it was all about music back then. It couldn't be no drama like when him there road. No. You understand? So I just strictly music back then. So that's why back then him did kind of dominate because him a promoting music the real way. Him have them links the DJs and everything and you don't know everybody I want them little money and him don't have money already. Him have money. You see me? Him have him links and everything. So every artist have the links and powers the Kartel have to reach the level where they at now. You understand? Because remember him not tour the world yet, him not do all of them something there yet. I just Jamaica and in the Caribbean, but for tour UK, Australia, all of them, Japan, all of them look a place there, the whole of US, Canada, everywhere. Him not do that yet. Some people out there wanna know him none at all. You see me? So now if him for do shows and everything, yeah, thing I got pick up now. But don't make him feel like him this huge world thing. No, yeah, we know over UK know him and every little thing. We know that's there already. Over UK. Cause you don't know UK or Jamaica slash, you see me? Yeah. So we know that already. Over this I got heavy. People are gonna know him more over UK and thing. You see me? We can't take nothing from that. But this 13-year thing, a time for to wrap up that now, man. That not make no sense. Cause when I'm going to prison for 13 years is not about no music. You see me? Yeah. Not about music. So it's to come down now. Put up now, man. God's fans can put up this now, man. Focus on something else. Him have some show forward out to promote that. Him have album and just promote that. This 13 years thing not make no sense. No artist not gone to prison for 13 years to come back out for them praise them or whatever. That's madness. You see me? But people who don't know when to like, share and subscribe, click the notification bell. You see me? Yeah. You don't know when media facts, you know. Yeah, man. That is it.